This is how you can block an email on Gmail. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. Open your Gmail account. Select the email you want to block. Select the email you want to block. Assuming I want to block this mail, simply select it. Click on the three dots here and select block.metroopinion.com/ just block the email just like so. Be careful with this message. You blocked this. You can unblock this person or report it as spam. Okay, this is how you can block an email on Gmail. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye bye.